Search engines that are safe and easy for kids to use starts now. The first search engine for kids is Kittle, and this is kittle.co. Kids can search the web safely using this search engine that is powered by Google, and all the profanity and not so great information has been filtered out. The search engine displays the search results by the websites that would be most relevant and user-friendly for a kid. It also boasts a larger point font and a picture that is from the site in the search results. Speaking of pictures, Kittle allows students to search for a picture of the topic they want to know more about and offers copyright-free images when you use the K Images tab. Students can also put in a keyword to get kid-friendly news, videos, or facts about that topic. And when they're searching by facts, those facts are sourced directly from the Kittle Encyclopedia, so they don't even have to leave the Kittle site. Use Kittle for young students that are just starting to learn about search engines and be confident that they will only find educationally appropriate information to use on their next project. DK Find Out is next. This website is great because all of its answers are right here on the DK Find Out website. It provides just enough information for students to get started on their research, to learn more about their topic, and most often it provides interactive pictures to better explain the topic. Students can also search by a more wide range topic. They can watch videos, take quizzes, or learn fun facts. DK Find Out is a great website for simple search results that are easily digestible for young students and educationally interactive. One of my favorites is next, Wonderopolis. This is wonderopolis.org. This search engine is for the who, what, when, where, why, how questions that students are constantly asking. It can be used for research or simply used when one of those perplexing questions comes up and your class has to know the answer. Type in any who, what, when, where, why, how question to see the results. You will normally receive a text answer along with pictures or videos to support it. One feature Wonderopolis has is it will highlight any word that is challenging for students. And when the students mouse over that word, it'll give them the definition. It will then allow the students to take a quiz based on those challenging wonder words. You'll also see on the homepage that there is a wonder of the day. You can easily use this site as a bell ringer activity for your students with new questions answered each day. Students will enjoy having a website that answers all of their burning questions and can explore what other students are wondering too. Wonderopolis is a must to check out for students. The last search engine for kids is Wolfram Alpha. It is one of the best resources for search engines for kids. This computational search engine allows students to type in any person, thing, equation, comparison, or anything that they need to get factual information on. This search engine does not pump out websites for students to go to, but instead, when students use this search engine, it gives them only factual information about what they typed. Here are some examples. Search results for George Washington. This curates all the factual information about George Washington from a number of sources all on that one page. It creates graphs and charts when needed for visuals, and all the sources that it used, you can find those at the bottom of the page if you want more information. Search results for an algebraic equation. It will solve the equation for you and show you how. You can use it just like a calculator, and it does support math language. You can also use it as a search engine to compare items, let's say for health science, like comparing apples and oranges. It will give the nutritional value of both, and then it will create a chart to compare the two. Students are easily able to see the results using this search engine. Wolfram Alpha is a free, amazing resource for teachers and students who want factual information on just about anything. So there you have it. Kittle, DK Find Out, Wonderopolis, Wolfram Alpha. All great search engines for students to use. Feel free to like and subscribe on this video so you'll always get notified when there's new videos from Integrated Teacher.